Hello everyone, hello Cancer friends. This is your general forecast for anong buwan na? October 2024. Okay? So, tignan natin ang energies nyo for this month. Anong mga advice ang gustong ibigay sa inyo ng universe para sa iyo? Okay. 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 Ayan. Okay guys, ito na yung mga cards ninyo. Let's see. Anong meron sa inyo guys? Anong meron sa mga Cancerians ngayon? Ano ba yung mga advice na gustong ibigay ng um, universe para sa inyo, no? So let's see. Okay. Wow. Okay. You have the first card, which is the Nine of Swords. The Nine of Swords is all about you being happy. There are things siguro na parang medyo hindi masyadong masaya noon. But then, there are ways na may mga tema diyan na parang nagkakaroon ka ng learning sa buhay ninyo. Okay? So let's see. You have the Ace of Swords. Guys, you have the Ace of Swords meaning you are very open to communicate. You have this potential na parang nagkakaroon ka ng lakas sa communication abilities mo na yung mga pag-uusap na ginagawa ninyo is nagbibigay sa inyo ng daan para makalusot sa mga problems. Or, mali yung lusot is more of nabibigyan nyo ng solusyon yung mga hinaharap ninyo. Is through communicating very, very smart. Parang mas nagiging ah, mas nagiging maganda ang inyong energies kasi nagiging honest and truthful yung inyong communication way. So, ito yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo na ngayon or naiisip mong gawin. But definitely, napakadami nung situations na pwede mo tong magamit this month. You also have the Five of Pentacles in your energy. So this is telling me na baka minsan na kikita mo yung sarili mo na parang bumababa ang tingin mo sa sarili mo. Maybe because of pera, maybe feeling mo wala ka masyado nun, or baka feeling mo something na hindi mo makuha or something na kulang sa'yo, pero nakikita mo na pwede mo namang makuha yun. Pwede namang, bakit hindi? Why you don't deserve it? So there are things na nakikita ko sa inyo pagdating sa pera na medyo kinakaawaan mo yung sarili mo or nakikita mo yung sarili mo na you're not doing as good as how you imagine yourself to be. May mga ganong tema. So, if this is continuing, kung paulit-ulit na ganito and hindi ka makaalis sa ganitong kind of energy, guys, your October may have that potential na hindi ka na masyadong masaya. Hindi ka nakokontento, hindi ka nagkakaroon ng sense of satisfaction because your Nine of Cups is in reverse. Ibig sabihin lang nito, hindi mo makita na minsan meron ka ng mga success may mga ginawa ka ng maganda, pero para sa'yo, hindi mo siya makita kasi ang hinahanap mong isang klase ng bagay na magbibigay sa inyo ng happiness ay yung wala kayo. Okay? Guys, ito yung advice niyo, no? You need to see yourself as somebody na maybe you don't have everything, but you have some things that can help you to go up. Okay? Ito yung sinasabi sa inyo. Another thing is, kung meron kayong some kind of, kunwari, let's say pera yan, no? Huwag mo na siyang gastusin daw. Huwag mo na siyang gastusin sa iba. Huwag mo nang gastusin sa mga bagay na hindi naman ganun ka-importante. Kasi madami nang pinapakita sa inyo ngayon na, okay, bibigyan ka ng pera ni universe, tapos, titignan niya how you will spend it. So, kung ito ay napupunta sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga nakakatulong for you, then hindi mo siya makawalan, hindi ka maka-get over sa ganong klase ng cycle, o hindi ka maka-get over dun sa feeling na parang hindi ka masaya, na hindi ka nagiging successful sa paningin mo. Pero yun nga, ang sinasabi sa'yo is, minsan pag nagkaroon ka ng time, anong gagawin mo doon sa time na yun? Itatamad mo lang ba ang sarili mo, or susubukan mong deal with it, na parang magkaroon ka ng lakas ng loob to use whatever resources for you to get out of the situation na meron ka ngayon. Okay? So, for some of you, maybe hindi naman kayo naghihirap talaga, but there are some instances, there are places in your life na gusto mong mag-improve. And how can you get there kung hindi mo gagawa ng paraan yung kung anong meron mo ngayon? So yun yung sinasabi dito, guys, no? So that's the complete message ng inyong uh, ng inyong baraha. But then kukuha pa tayo ng advice card ninyo, okay? If you resonate with this reading, please let me know by liking this video or commenting down below. Subscribe to Hula Juan and share this channel with others. Just a small gesture to support this channel. Salamat. Ayan. Okay. Your first card is Tumilapon. Gusto niya talagang lumabas. Okay. Solitude. Once you embrace the inner divine and your own sacred solitude, the right people arrive at the right time, exactly on schedule without forcing or chasing. So, ibig sabihin lang nito, minsan, itong struggle, may mga struggles ka kasi na pang ikaw lang. Kumbaga, you need to learn this sa sarili mo, no? Hindi siya yung tipong klase ng uh, challenge na ibibigay mo sa iba at tutulungan ka ng iba. This is something na ikaw mismo. Okay? Okay. I think and I feel na ang universe is really asking you to change. Okay? Because you have the fire, transmutation, and purification. There may be things na bad habits that you may want to change, because transmutation of something negative into positive, na magkakaroon na makita mo yung spark sa sarili mo, and to rid yourself, tanggalin mo sa sarili mo yung mga habits na hindi mo na, yung ang alam mong hindi nakakatulong for you, and that's what you need to accomplish, no? Kasi pang sarili mo nga tong challenge, hindi ito yung maipapagawa mo sa iba, no. You need to deal with your struggles, challenges. Minsan, may mga challenges tayo na tayo lang mismo sa ugali natin, na parang alam mo, naririnig mo, or nakikita mo sa sarili mo, that you may need to change some things with yourself, and and probably yun na yung kailangan mong palitan. And there are places, there are situations wherein hindi ka nga nakokontento. You need to be real with yourself, okay? So that's what you need to do. Transmute yourself, change some things, change those negative aspects, negative na mga pinaggagawa ninyo or pinag-iisip ninyo sa sarili ninyo. Change that and see what will happen. And that's what you need to do. Visualize abundance in all forms. Ito yung maganda, guys. God gave you such great spiritual power that everything you visualize eventually becomes reality. Hold a steady vision of that which is beautiful, healthful, positive, and filled with blessings, and that is what you will experience. So, how do you do that? Kung hindi kayo marunong visualize or mag-meditate, ganito yan. Pagka-relax ka na, lalo na bago ka matulog, pikit ka, relax ka lang, keep your spine straight, kumbaga yung likod mo, naka-straight lang siya. And just relax, and pikit ka, and then hinga ka lang, And then, isipin mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari, yung mga gusto mong maabot. Is that financial things, comfortable life? Is it gusto mong maging healthy? Ganyan. Lahat i-imagine mo. And then, kung may mga taong involved, kausapin mo sila in your head, nakikita mo sila, and lahat nakikita mo na lahat masaya, lahat masarap, lahat very, very, very blessed ang feeling. Tatanggalin mo yung mga galit sa katawan mo, and you need to be filled with love habang ginagawa mo to. Huwag kang mag-iisip na, ay nako, si ano, nakakainis yan. Because it's so against the laws of abundance. You need to be in this energy na puro love lang talaga. Okay, so that is my mini tutorial, no, to visualize. And yun, gawin mo siya ng gawin every night. I-feel mo na talagang yung ano, F na F mo na talaga. Alright? So, that is your forecast, guys. Don't forget to follow or subscribe, and always remember, sa lahat ng gagawin mong desisyon, dapat maputi ang iyong intention. Alright?